Hey guys, in this program we are going to solve a Google interview question. Find matching pair. The pair of two numbers should be equal sum. For example, here we have a collection of numbers and the sum is 8 and the pair of two numbers should be equal sum. If it will be not true, then we want to get result in the form of boolean, true or false. And here in the first example you can say there is no matching pairs, has not pair with sum, means pair of two numbers is not equal sum. And but in the second example 4 plus 4 add up, then it is equal to 8, so this is true, so the answer will be true, like this. So guys, I would suggest you pause the video and try to solve by yourself. It is very easy and simple. Okay guys, now let's solve it. First of all, we have a function keyword. The name of function has pair that takes an array as an argument. Also we have sum. So first of all, we have here a for loop because we want to loop each of element in array. Okay, let I is equal 0, I is less than array dot length and increment. So here we have another loop, let j is equal I plus 1 and j is also less than array dot length and increment. Now here we have a condition. If our index I here plus j is equal sum, then we want to get true, return true. Otherwise we want to get false, so at the end here we have return false. Now print this one, console.log. So let's say 1, 3, 4 and 6 and sum here 8. Save it and run it. So guys, here we got it false because the condition is not true. And let's say here we have 4, save it. So here we got it true, and here if we write 5, save it, then we should also get true because 5 plus 3 is also equal 8. So guys, like this is work. But the interview can ask a question. It is not an efficient way because it is a nested loop and the time complexity of this function is on square. So it is not very efficient. We want to get on, time complexity. So we have another method. We can solve this problem with another method that is very efficient. It is also true, but this is not very efficient way because the time due to time complexity. Okay, now solve with another method. We don't need this one. Okay, first one, let we have here a set, new set, for loop, let I is equal 0, I is less than array dot length, and at last we have increment as always we have. So here we have condition if set dot has. So here we have array I. So if it will be condition true, then we want to get return true. Okay, so now we need to add set dot add sum minus array index I. Okay, if it is visible true, and here we want to get return false. Okay, now check. We still got true. Okay, that is true. And if we just write here 2, then see how here we got it false. And if we just write here 4, so guys, here we got it true. So like this is work. The time complexity of this function is on. So that is very efficient, and you can say if you can also solve with a previous method, that is also okay, but it is more efficient way. First you can solve from the previous method, but you can tell to the interview that it is not an efficient way because due to nested loop and the time complexity of this is not very good. So you can solve this problem with this method. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and in the comment section give me your suggestions. I would love to hear.